Today I'm pouring a set of my brown geode coasters that I sell in my Etsy shop. I use a 2-ounce Dixie cup and line up the different shades of brown that I'll use. When I come up with a color combo I love, I make sure to write them all down in my studio notebook and even write the order I should pour them in the cup. By adding the colors in a particular order, I am more likely to get consistent results, so then I can sell a set over and over on Etsy without having to take new photos of every new set. For this pour, I'm adding the acrylic paint that I mixed only with floetrol to the cup in lines, making a back and forth motion. This will also help ensure that I get consistent results over time. Now I'm covering the tile with a dark brown acrylic paint that I will use for the base layer of every tile. This paint was mixed just the same as the others with only floetrol. I then start pouring in the center and make circles all the way out to the four corners. Then I tilt towards me, away from me, and then side to side. Then I wipe all the paint dripping off the bottom of the tile back into the cup I poured from. Then I start the process all over again for the next one. Watch as each design gets better and better, at least I think they do.